Car window tint films reduce heat, glare, UV exposure, and enhance privacy. My today's video is about top 5 best car window tint films that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Iaqwe Car Window Tint Films. The Iaqwe Car Window Film is a practical upgrade for anyone looking to enhance comfort and privacy while driving. It effectively blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays, helping reduce interior heat buildup and protecting your car's upholstery from fading and aging. The one-way visibility feature provides excellent daytime privacy without compromising driving clarity. Thanks to its high-definition design, this film is available in multiple sizes and VLT options, making it suitable for most cars, trucks, and SUVs while allowing you to choose the level of tint that fits your needs. With professional installation, it delivers a sleek mirror effect that elevates your car's appearance and privacy. Additionally, Iaqwe offers responsive 24-hour customer support, ensuring assistance before and after purchase. Overall, it's a reliable, customizable window tint solution that combines style, protection, and performance. Now our second product is Pamagu Car Window Tint Films. The Pamagu 35 ceramic window tint is a smart choice for drivers seeking comfort, durability, and privacy. Its adhesive-free design makes installation simple and hassle-free, especially with the included detailed manual and step-by-step instruction video. Even first-time users can achieve a clean, professional look. Built with advanced nano-ceramic coating technology, this tint offers impressive scratch resistance, enhancing durability and extending the life of your car windows. It blocks at least 95% of harmful UV rays and 88% of infrared heat, helping protect your skin and interior upholstery while keeping your vehicle cooler year-round. The 35 tint effectively reduces glare from sunlight and headlights at night, improving driving comfort and safety. Its one-way privacy feature allows clear outward visibility while maintaining discretion inside the car. Compatible with most vehicles and backed by a professional selection guide, multiple size options, and 12+1 months of support, Pamagu delivers reliable performance and value. Our third product is Toyoko Car Window Tint Films. Toyoko Ceramic Car Window Tint is a high-performance solution for drivers who value protection, privacy, and style. With over 99% UV blocking and more than 95% infrared rejection, it effectively reduces heat buildup while protecting your skin and preventing interior fading or aging. This makes it an excellent choice for maintaining a cooler, more comfortable cabin year-round. The 20 VLT offers strong daytime privacy without affecting driving visibility or in-car signals. You can enjoy a secure, private interior while still maintaining a clear view of the road. Built with durable ceramic material, the film is scratch-resistant and explosion-proof, enhancing safety and ensuring long-lasting performance. Beyond functionality, it gives your vehicle a sleek, modern appearance, suitable for most cars, SUVs, and even home windows. Backed by a factory with 15 years of experience and responsive 24-hour customer service, Toyoko delivers reliable quality and professional support. Now number 4, Arana Car Window Tint Films. This ceramic car window tint delivers the perfect balance of privacy, comfort, and safety. It instantly blocks outside views to keep prying eyes away, while still allowing you to see clearly from inside whether you're driving, parked, or resting. You get true privacy without compromising visibility. Designed for year-round performance, it blocks 99% of harmful UV rays to protect your skin and interior. Unlike standard films, it also reflects infrared heat back into the cabin during winter, helping maintain warmth and comfort in colder months. Available in multiple VLT options, 3, 5, 15, 20, and 35, it lets you customize your vehicle's look and level of shade. The 2mm thick film adds durability, helps reduce shattered glass during minor impacts, and minimizes glare from sunlight and headlights for smoother, safer driving. With friendly 365-day support and personalized installation guidance, this tint offers reliable performance and confidence long after purchase. And our last choice is Amswolf Car Window Tint Films. The Amswolf 15 VLT Car Window Tint is a reliable option for drivers seeking privacy, protection, and style. With 15 visible light transmission, it delivers strong daytime privacy without affecting your driving vision or in-car signals, ensuring both comfort and safety. Constructed with a durable 5-layer PET design, this tint effectively blocks most visible light along with harmful UV and IR rays. It helps reduce excessive heat buildup, protects your skin, and prevents your car's interior from fading and aging over time. The 20 inches x 20 foot size fits most cars and SUVs and can even be used for home windows. Beyond performance, it gives your vehicle a sleek, modern look. Amswolf also includes clear installation instructions and a video guide for smooth DIY application. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive 24-hour customer service, it offers dependable support and long-term value. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.